So today I am trying out these Fabuloso Complete Disinfectant Wipes. Kills 99% of viruses and bacteria. Bought these from Dollar General. I will let you know a little bit later on how they went. I'm gonna rate it from 1 to 5, okay? 1 being bad, 5 being great, okay? So I'm gonna check them out. Give you a little bit of footage and I'll get back with you. You feel about your vision board for the sound room at church? Are you not feeling good? What you got to say about it? Turn it around. Let me just look at it one more time. Okay, now.
Get a good look at it.
That's pretty good right there. You definitely got that dollar sign, because it's gonna take dollars, all right?
Yeah.
To upgrade it. All right. See you later. What's your little Bojangles? Your mom, that's right, your mom was going to the church, right?
My mom said, do you want this salsa biscuit?
Oh, if I don't, then probably will eat it. Thank you. Go ahead, girl. So y'all in that Bojangles one.
Yeah, I'm taking my hair out.
I see you taking your hair out. Aisha, I bet she didn't send you any hairstyle, did she?
No.
Did you figure out one?
I'm getting the same one I got because it don't hurt.
Right, and it lasts too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably it. So you going to that?
Yeah, I just don't like getting my hair blow dry.
Right, you don't like that part, do you? That ain't no joke, is it?
It hurts so bad.
What time you gotta be there?
I think she said 1:30 or something.
Oh, okay, so it'll be after she leaves
But
church.
I'm going to church tomorrow.
All right.
So I'm not going to be going here because I have to get my money from Pastor Matt.
Oh.
I didn't get it last time.
All right, girl, so you better be getting that
And
money.
he says the first one to come on Zoom next Wednesday gets $20, but they gotta say the Bible, like Genesis and all. They gotta say the old and the new.
All right, now, I like that. Okay, y'all, on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm gonna have to give this a 4.99999. Okay? And that's only because nothing can possibly kill all the germs. It says 99.9%. So I'm only giving it a 4.99999 because, of course, nothing's perfect, all right? But yes, Fabuloso Complete Disinfectant Wipes. Go and get you some. Let me check my receipt. Okay, y'all. I paid $5 for these. And you know what? They're worth every bit of it. Every bit of it. And I want to say they're new. If they're not new, I just hadn't seen them around. But yes, all sorts of uses. Kitchen, bathroom. Yeah, y'all. I tell you. These things are bomb. And the smell doesn't just hit you and strangle you, you know. Let me say that again. The smell doesn't just hit you and strangle you. It's just the nice, clean, Fabuloso smell that you know. And they're in a wipe. And the smell is there. The smell is there. Yep. So go and get you some, $5. I don't know how many you're in here. But you know what? It's a pretty big tub, so go and get you some, Fabuloso complete disinfectant wipes. I found them at Dollar General. There could be other places. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the footage. Yeah, I hope your new year is going well. We've had some strange stuff going on in the news with the presidency and all that. But other than that, I hope your life in general is going well. Looking forward to Martin Luther King having that holiday off. Thank you, Jesus. And yeah, I'll get back with you all another time. Don't forget, when no one else will, be your own cheerleader. Create your own sunshine. I will see you on the next upload.